techies, it's your host Sia back with a mobile munch feast for the senses. Today's main course. The iQOO 12 Pro 5G, a smartphone that promises to be the creme de la creme of mobile technology. It's like your favorite Michelin-starred restaurant, but in your pocket. So grab a fork and get ready to dig in as we savor every delicious detail of this high-tech masterpiece. Trust me, your taste buds and your tech senses are in for a treat. 1. Design and display. First up, the design. A sleek device with a glass front and a plastic back. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold. Plus, it's IP68 dust and water resistant, so accidental spills won't cramp your style. Now, let's talk about that display. The 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED screen is a visual treat. With a smooth 144Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and peak brightness hitting 3000 nits, your content will pop. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing, this display won't disappoint. 2. Performance and memory. Under the hood, the iQOO 12 Pro houses the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. It's built on a nimble 4nm process, striking that sweet balance between power efficiency and performance. The octa-core CPU dances through tasks effortlessly. And memory? Take your pick, 256GB with 16GB RAM, 512GB with 16GB RAM, or go all out with a whopping 1TB and 16GB RAM. Whether you're a multitasker or a digital hoarder, this phone has you covered. 3. Camera magic. Let's focus on photography. The triple camera setup on the back is like having a photography studio. 50 megapixels main camera captures detailed shots, backed by multi-directional PDAF and OIS. 64 megapixels periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom for those distant moments. 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens with a wide field of view, perfect for landscapes. Selfies? Covered. The 16 megapixels front camera ensures you look your best, even in challenging lighting conditions. 4. Lightning fast charging. Battery anxiety? Not here. The 5100 mAh non-removable battery keeps you going all day. And when it's time to recharge, buckle up for the 120W wired charging. It's like a pit stop for your phone, 100% in just 90 minutes. 5. Colorful choices. Choose your flavor, black, red, or white, with BMW M branding. Your phone, your style. What do you think about iQOO 12 Pro 5G? That's a wrap, folks. The Vivo's iQOO 12 Pro, a blend of power, style, and cutting-edge tech. Would you rob this phone? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tasty tech content.